This video we'll take a look at what is Scramble when it comes to a golf. Scramble is a team format in golf. All players tee off. The team then chooses the best shot from all of the 4 players, or 2 or 3. Everyone plays the next shot from that spot, and it is repeated again until the ball is in the hole. 4 players hit a tee shot, 1 drive is in the fairway. This is an example. All 4 play the shot of the second shot that's in the fairway, which is the best ball. Which then again, the next ball, all 4 hit, and they choose the one that's on the green. The team then posts the lowest score after the potential putts. If someone makes the putt, then they score 3. If it's a 2 putt, it's a 4 on that hole. Now, the origin of Scramble came into the mid-1900s. Scramble did not exist in early golf. It was more for it's currently still it's created for charity, company events, and social plan. It was introduced to make golf faster, funner, and more inclusive. Why Scramble was invented, it was too hard for beginners. And Scramble stroke play was too hard for beginners. Match play didn't really work well for larger groups, so Scramble allowed everyone to contribute, fewer balls, overall played, and more importantly, a faster pace of play. In the 1950s to 1970s, Scramble became very popular and heavily used in functions and corporate events. Today, it's more used in charity events and corporate events around the world, and golfers use it as a tool for a good position, because you're always in a good position when you are in a scramble. You can always contribute to the team, and it makes it for a fun teamwork and big energy type experience. Hopefully this brings you one step closer to understanding what Scramble is. You get out there and play a little bit of golf here with the Professor, an independent golf channel.